loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this look that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Ashimary Hair. Shout out to Ashimary. Today I have a 13 by 4 99J loose wave. No. I have a 99J loose deep wave lace frontal wig. So this unit is in 24 inches and she is 180 density. This unit is definitely something that we've seen before, so I decided to switch it up. I did add some curls to this just to create that super fluffy loose deep wave look, if that makes sense. Loose deep wave. It's not as tight as deep wave, but it's not as loose wave. So it's right in between, but I feel like for this look, I wanted to do something that showed off the texture and the color. You can wet this hair down and put curly hair products and do that nice, like that look that we're typically used to. But when I co-washed this hair color did transfer a little bit. So I didn't want to add anything that was water-based to this hair. So I decided to stick with the curling iron, but this was definitely this lace is a transparent lace. So I definitely suggest, and it looks like a transparent lace. So I definitely suggest that you tint your lace. I used a little bit of powder to tint the lace and that did the trick. I didn't go crazy with baby hairs for this install because I didn't want it to take away from what was going on with the hair. Like sometimes there's a time for them and there's a time to just, you know, be a little subtle. So we did a little something with the baby hairs, but nothing crazy. You can always opt out with the baby hairs, like baby hairs are optional. But this unit is available in quite a few different lengths, so you definitely want to check the description box if you are interested in this unit. I will have all the details down below. And if you want to use a discount code, that will be in the comment section. So definitely check the comment section if you are interested, okay? But definitely shout out to Ashimary for sending over this bomb wig. I love it. I like that they have the options for these colored wigs and it's not just your basic colors. Like a lot of different colors are being offered now because coloring hair is very tedious and it's time consuming and it is expensive. So if you could just order your wig and it's already colored, that definitely saves you time. So all you got to worry about is your install. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, I don't think I told you about the cap size. The cap size was average and it fit well. There was some stretch to it. Shout out to y'all for watching another wig tutorial and I will see you beauties in the next video.
Euphoria. I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Euphoria.
People call my phone all the time. Check my phone, already knowing this tries. Fake friends and old hoes, they're banging my line. Trying to get the patience, but I had no time. Like a dead man walking. Try to be talk, cause I know you. Funny how they never care about the old you. I'm blow up, like I'm supposed to. That's why I blow up, act like I don't know you. Euphoria. I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria.
I put up off the street. Put up. Took 2 down, let me bleed. Hey, when I'm in that mode, I should pull up. That's who it is. Say something to leave. I'm good at reach. Try that risk. Secret lies. Leave alone then come back on this side. We both have high. Euphoria. Tell me right now if I can get high. Euphoria. Tell me right now when I do want you.
Euphoria. I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Seems like I'm failing time.
But I thought I could do better, babe. Think about you every day. Just like a diamond you shine. Too many girls in other states, I would've told you anyway. I guess you had 'em.
now we plotting beside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push P, push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep the P. Private speak, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. I pop a P, a paranoid. I keep it sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push a P,
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
push a P.
I just fucked a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana card. I'ma pee you out your whole endorsement. She ain't putting up for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops and we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets with me, no question. Too rich to text, I let my shout at